welcome na naman sa ating new episode na ating Shattered Compass. So yun, medyo malat tayo ngayon, no? Um, we just flew in from California yesterday. Dito na tayo ngayon sa Florida, sa isang sister ko naman. So I'll be staying here for a month. I will be sharing that to you. Why am I here? And yeah, ang episode natin for today is watching everyone make money more than you. So, have you ever felt small because of someone else's success? So yeah, it's just normal now. Me too. Like there 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 were times that happens to happened to me. Sometimes it still happens, no? It's as I was saying, like it's just normal. But not it doesn't affect me. Not like before anymore. Um, so yeah, it's not because I'm lazy. It's not because I'm not trying, but because sometimes it feels like everyone else is moving faster. Okay? So parang sila bilis-bilis nila, ang bilis ng parang bilis ng career or whatever they're doing, no. So you remember one night you were just scrolling and then you saw somebody younger than you. It usually is like that, no? Somebody younger than you post like a huge income win, like somebody bought a house or something, somebody opened a business, somebody bought a new car. So yeah, it's just like somebody posting like a big month or whatever. And then for about 5 minutes you started questioning what you were doing, no? Um so yeah, that feeling, it hits deeper than we admit, no? Like it's let's just be honest, it hits us na, na deeper than what we can admit to ourselves. So I will just share you, no? I in here I don't want to teach you just what to do. I'm just sharing. I may say like, okay, do this and do that, but I'm just sharing what we could do, no? I don't want to impose anything to you, but yeah, I'm just, so that's why it's Shattered Compass, no? It's like we just move forward together. We're looking for direction. So yeah, why this hurts so much? Like, so income isn't just money, no? It feels like security, stability, competence, and respect. Tapos sa ating mga Pinoy, for us Filipinos, it hits even harder. Why? Because it's in our culture na money isn't just income, it's responsibility. Kasi ano tayo eh, kumbaga hard life ang Pinoy. Parang we live sa bansa natin, parang it's really hard, no? Mahirap ang buhay natin. We just grew up like that. So it's responsibility. Ganun ang money, no? Sa atin. It's the ability to help your parents, support your kids, and then to be seen na you're a stable one, no? So when you see someone earning more than you, it's doesn't just bruise your ego. It makes you question your role sa buhay. Tapos, so yun, pag may nakikita, ganun na nangyayari, no? Pag may nakikita kang iba, so it just hurts you na something like that. I'm not saying na parang bigla ka na lang na down, no? But we have to admit that we feel something different. Okay? So, it's not inggit rin also. It's just the way it is. So, and what happens is there's a dangerous spiral. That's what happens in our life. So, what's that dangerous spiral? So, um, nagkakaroon kasi ng comparison, and here's what comparison does, no? It makes you impatient, and it makes you doubt your path. So, pinag-usapan natin nung first, you have to know your path, no? And be responsible for it. But now, it makes you impatient and you doubt your path. Parang, oh, walang nangyayari sa akin dito sa ginagawa ko. So, you start to doubt it. And then, it makes you want faster results. So, ano nangyayari? You start chasing shortcuts. You're looking for some place where you can earn faster. And then, by doing that, you start to abandon your long-term plans. So, hindi maganda yung nangyayari. So, that's the dangerous spiral na nangyayari, no? You abandon your path. You doubt it, and then you abandon. So, you start thinking maybe you chose something wrong, no? And I I don't know if I said this before, but our family were religious, no? Well, usually for us, mostly Filipinos, we're all religious. We believe in God, and that He has plans for us, and it's in the Bible that God plans for you to be prospered, no? So, parang you start to doubt it na kasi hindi ka prospered. Parang ganon. And then, you just have to believe, no, that God has a plan for you. And then, yung path mo, yun nga, yun nangyayari sa dangerous spiral na to, no? You start to doubt your path. And then, that's what comparison does. So, it doesn't just hurt your feelings, it disrupts your strategy. Nagugulo ka na. Then, nagkakaroon ng shift. Okay? What's the shift? So, here's what I had to remind to myself. Income is a skill game. Okay? It's not random. It's not luck. Okay? It's skill stacked over time. So, ano yun? Income is a skill game. Ano yung sinasabi ko na skill stacked over time. So, ikaw, ang income mo is based on your skill. Okay? So, you need to build on it. So, siguro, yung income mo, kaya sinasabing it's a skill game, it's just based on your skill, no? So, what you need to do is you improve yourself. It depends on your skill, and then, that's where your income is based. And then, so, what you do is, you build your skill. And then, you start to know your value na, oh, masyado na akong skilled. And then, kung hindi sumasabay yung income mo, then there's something wrong where you're at, no? Okay? And then, eto sasabihin ko sa inyo, no? Most people online, so, kung nakikita nyo yung ini-scroll nyo, nakita nyo to, they don't show their debt, no? So, what am I saying is, oh, they bought a car, but it's a car loan. Or they bought a house. They're still gonna pay for it, no? I'm not saying like, oh, they have utang or what. Or, syempre, they have loans to do this. They make loans, house loans, car loans, or whatever. They show it online, no? So, what am I saying is, it's like for us Filipinos. So let's use basketball. Okay, so you're playing basketball, you're in the game, and then you watch somebody else's play on TV. Oh, galing nito. But you're just watching the highlights. Of course, they're showing something good or something great was done. But you're playing the game. Okay, you play the whole game. If you watch the whole game, then you'll watch something, oh, naagawan din or what? Oh, na-block din siya or what, 'di ba? So, you're just seeing highlights. Okay? That's what I'm saying. And so, quiet growth doesn't look impressive online. Okay? So, they don't show the years of quiet work, no? So, hindi nila pinapakita 'yon. Uh, but showing it's powerful in real life. So, those were yung mga motivational. Okay? So, yun yung magandang nakikita natin, no? So, nakikita natin na nagbe-build mismo. Okay? And then, what else? So, what what I'm doing instead, no? So, sabihin ko sa inyo. So, instead of spiraling, here's what I focus on. Number one, measuring progress yearly. Okay? Not emotionally. Huwag nyo dalhin yung emosyon nyo sa progress nyo. Uh, yung feelings, they fluctuate daily. Nag-iiba-iba yan. Okay? Sometimes, I feel like, this is something good that I'm doing right now. Kasi sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, I'm now working right now, no? So, wala akong trabaho. And then, I'm doing affiliate marketing. So, I started podcasting. Then, there are days like, this feels like right. This feels like very right. And then, there are days that not. Okay? So, you should measure your progress yearly. You can do it monthly, but don't do it daily, no? It's not that good. So, growth compounds yearly. Makikita mo yung pinaka naging progress mo in a year kung gaano kalaki, no? It's like doing an inventory. So, sa amin sa kitchen, ganyan. Paminsan sasabihin ko, wag mo itapon to. Ganyan. And then they said, it's just a small thing. Yeah, it's small. But it builds up in time. In a month, ang laki na ng food cost mo kasi you're throwing so much na tinapo mo sobrang kapal na nung sibuyas, nagbalat ka ng sibuyas, ang dami mong tinapon. Then, yeah, you throw so much. Okay? So, number 2 is stacking skills. And stacking skills. So, you build yourself, no? So, in terms of what? So, communication, number 1. Lalo na sa ating Pilipino, no? Like, practicing English goes so much, goes very far. Okay? Sa ating Pinoy, sa ating nga, interview pa lang, English ka agad, parang pahirapan na, no? So, communication skills, you build it, and then, that's one big skill, lalo na sa atin, sa Pilipinas. And then, digital tools, ang dami na ngayon. Everything is inside the computer, online, there's AI, and what. So, build your skills on digital tools goes very far too. Financial literacy. Okay? So, when it comes to your money, I already talked to you about this on our first. So, build your skills on financial. Alamin mo. Okay? Sales. Isa pa yan. Okay? Sales. Talagang dyan, medyo tatasang income or ano man ang gusto mong progress, no? So, income increases when skill increases. Tatandaan niyo yan. It's based on your skills. Number 3, protecting my focus. Okay? Yan yung isa kong medyo tinutukan na. No? So, that's what I did. So, protecting my focus. What does that mean? Not everything deserves my attention. Okay? So, hindi lahat. ginugulo mo yung sarili mo eh. Like right now, I'm doing affiliate marketing, I'm doing podcasting too, no? So, I have to focus on one more, no? And then, so, hindi lahat deserving ng attention mo. So, kailangan meron kang focus. That's where your direction will be. Okay? And you don't need to move faster. You just need to move consistently. Merong consistency, no? So, yun lang, guys. So, move on your own pace, and then that's where you base yourself, no? Wag mong sinasabi na, para namang ang bagal-bagal ko. It's you who choose your pace. So, nasa iyo. You don't need to move faster, but consistent. Okay? So, what we learned here, okay? If you ever felt small because of someone else's success, you're not behind. Tandaan nyo yan. You're just seeing their highlight while you're living your build. Okay? So, yun yung sinasabi ko, you're just seeing their highlights. Money is important, of course, but it's not proof of your worth. Okay? It's proof of your skill level. And skills can be built. Pwede mo yang nasa yan. Pwede mong taasan. Okay? So remember that. It's proof of your skill level, and skills can be built. So, etong sasabihin ko sa inyo before I end this, no? So, this episode of Shattered Compass, okay? Even if the compass feels shattered right now, we don't stop. We move anyway. So, we move all together. Okay? Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Napasensyahan nyo na yung boses ko. And then next episode, I haven't actually decided yet what we're gonna talk about. But if you have some ideas, just comment whatever you want to talk about. And thank you. I'll see you next time.